With the Fall Creators Update, we're making Windows more accessible for those with Lou Gehrig's disease, the world of Windows mixed reality. By combining our physical and digital worlds, we believe mixed reality is the next evolution in human computing. And at the same time, it leaves your hands free to interact with that mixed world. And this mixed reality system will be available from a range of partners at a range of price points, all starting at $299. HoloLens is now being used by businesses all around the world for a whole variety of applications, very commonly being used for training. Here you see a video of how Japan Airlines is known with the user. It's a very exciting commercial applications of HoloLens, but in the context of today, the most exciting thing about HoloLens is how it helped us understand what we needed to do, what was required for us to enable our partners to really build mixed reality headsets at scale. And I've taken apart Acer's Windows mixed reality headset. And if you look inside HoloLens, you'll see 4 cameras. These 4 cameras project out into the world, enabling what we call inside-out tracking. So when you look inside Acer's headset, you'll see 2 cameras. Here they have 2 cameras, not 4, which gives the level of precision they need for virtual reality. And this camera is really an evolution of the camera that is actually used in HoloLens itself. HoloLens uses a projector. It actually projects images into your eyes. But we wanted now with virtual reality, we didn't need the same projection technology, but we knew we wanted to cost it down to enable an LCD display system. So the same technology and techniques we used in HoloLens. Now, this impulse backlighting enables this lower levels of persistence per frame, enabling us to hit display hertz at 60 hertz or 90 hertz using integrated graphics or discrete graphics to the PC. So this enables new price points, never been seen before with these mixed reality headsets.
Windows mixed reality looks amazing. Now, let me bring us back to reality. I'm going to take the pen, click on the ink, select the color and the thickness, and just make the measurements. There we go. 2 meters. Once I save it and send it to the supplier, he's going to see exactly the same notes that I have made.
Now, of course, our OEMs ship hundreds of millions of new devices every year. It's helped us take share against competitive platforms and really driven that Windows experience in PCs above $800. We've curated the Windows Professional Collection. But of course, at a holiday event like IFA 2017, we're especially excited to share some of the best and brightest devices in our gaming collection and the mixed reality collection. I'm going to start with a local partner that has global brand and reach, Porsche. The Porsche Book One, as you can see here, is just an exquisite example of German craftsmanship. It's got a fantastic 2-in-1 capability that's been rated the world's best by Chip magazine here in Germany. I'm happy to share for the first time that this device is on sale now on Microsoft online stores. In the US, it'll go on sale in select retail stores, physical retail stores today. And the third device, premium device that I'll show is the Microsoft Surface Pro. Now, of course, this is the iconic device that helped popularize the 2-in-1 category. It also comes with the Intel Core M CPU, which enables fanless design, really quiet. So some of the computers of yesteryear that might have been whirring as it sits on your lap, creating that extra ambient noise, none of that happens with the Surface. And so the first device I'll share here is the Samsung Galaxy Book 12. This, of course, comes from our partners in Korea. And as you think about how you create and play on the move, you might realize in the modern era, you might not want to be tethered to wires. You might not even want to be tethered to a Wi-Fi network. The next popular PC that I'll show is the HP Pavilion X360 14-inch device. Now, why am I excited about this one? Well, let me reel off a couple of the Windows features that it holds and then bring the story together. So with this camera here, you can do facial recognition and unlock your PC that way, bypassing traditional password systems. It's got 10.5 hours of battery life. And it's got a discrete GPU option where you can upgrade and really get that heavy-duty gaming and computing experience. Another Windows 10s device for both education and consumer usage is the Surface Laptop 10s. Now, the power of this device is in the details. It has 201 pixels per inch. What that translates to is incredibly crisp images on a 13.5-inch pixel sense display. and it's got 14.5 hours of video playback. So it just sips the battery and provides that long-lasting power. We see Windows 10 in particular as the most secure version of Windows ever, with support for device guard, credential guard, and features like TPM 2.0. So really nice to see the experiences that we rove across hardware. And another way that we're bringing it to life is something that was announced this week at IFA, which is a new holiday bundle from Dell. Dell has a new device called the Alienware Area 51. It's a super powerful desktop PC. And for qualifying customers in 5 countries, if you buy that Alienware Area 51 desktop, you get a free entitlement to Forza Motorsport 7. The first one is the Acer Predator Orion 9000. Now, I can't pick this one up because it's about 60 pounds because it's got an amazing power. It's the first gaming rig with Intel's Basin Lake CPU, which is a variant on the Kaby Lake processor class. It's got 12 cores for super fast, super smooth gameplay on even the most complex games. And as you can see here, it's got quite an engineering, a lot of engineering marvel packed into the chassis. The next gaming device that I'll show is the HP Omen X17. This also just starts shipping on October 1st. It's brand new for holiday. It's a powerhouse device with a Core i7 4K UHD display and the NVIDIA GTX 1080 GPU. So if you want to step up, the headsets that we'll be talking about in just a moment provide a richer, more immersive experience. Or you can have HoloLens with that augmented reality experience. So I can announce today that we've been working with the OEMs to validate the first 37 designs into those 2 categories. And we're starting more every week. We're really proud of the engineering work that we did with Intel to enable this mixed reality experiences on these PCs. There's been really deep work on the graphics to enable both the 60 hertz and 90 hertz experiences on the headsets. And as you think about the uniqueness of each design, maybe the camera will pan across them, you can see the way that they provide choices in brand, industrial design, and features. So these advanced motion controllers for Windows Mixed Reality I'm excited to show publicly. These help you move easily through virtual spaces. Now, if we can get again a close-up, you can see the Windows Home button here, and as you hold the buttons down, it lights up the LED constellation display. It's a nice aesthetic touch, but beyond that, there's a functional purpose. And enable tracking of motion completely natural so that you don't have to have any external sensors. It makes Windows Mixed Reality just plug and play.
We left the year with over 500 million people running Windows 10. This is the fastest growing Windows ever. We see these 4 clear areas of opportunity where we'll be working and investing with our partners to grow jointly our business and our customer success and satisfaction. We see this opportunity at global scale. Every day, 1 billion people wake up and use Windows. And this is not about 1 billion people. This is about the child in their first affordable PC who learns to read and write and may visit places they can't afford to go. This is about the busy professional on the road. I'm inspired by the incredible things we do together. And I'm humbled by this incredible industry and what we can achieve. Please let me leave you with a video of how technology can change your life. Thank you.